Hi everyone, this video I'll be talking about how to tackle a group discussion. Now we all know that group discussions can be very challenging and we all have to go through a group discussion sometime or another, in a job interview or a placement. So what does a group discussion actually comprise of? In a group discussion, you'll have to discuss about a topic with a group of members. And there'll be an external interviewer who will observe your body language, your communication skills in English, and what type of points you're contributing to the discussion. Now first off, you'll be given 2 minutes to prepare your topic. You'll be given the topic and you have to brainstorm ideas. Now in these 2 minutes, write down any point which appears in your mind. It does not have to be an elaborate point. It can just be keywords. Just write that down. It'll give you a head start and confidence for the group discussion. My next point is that what happens if you have no clue about what the topic is actually about? It could be a current affair news which you've never heard of, or it could be that you don't understand the question. It could be anything. But sometimes it may just happen that you don't have a clue about the topic. In such a case, don't panic. Start the group discussion and pay attention to what others are saying. If you listen properly, you will surely get at least a faint idea as to what the discussion is actually about, the topic. The third point is that you should never interrupt someone while they're talking. Because if you do that, it shows that you don't have the group collaborative spirit, and the interviewer will surely recognize that. Also, when the interviewer asks you to start or anyone to start in the group, then if you are strong with your own points, I suggest you take up the opportunity and start. Because if you start, then it shows that you have a sense of confidence and the interviewer will surely recognize that. My fourth point will be that, let's just say you want to add on to someone's point. Then you can state that by saying, I agree with Sharmila's point. Notice that I use the name Sharmila. This shows that I have paid attention to her introduction and I'm using it. And this makes a very good impression on the interviewer, because you are a good listener now. My fifth point will be that if you wish to disagree with someone's point, if they are talking and their point does not coincide with the topic or it's an illogical point, then you have to wait for your turn. Wait for them to finish and then state in a polite manner, I disagree with John's point because your point. My sixth point will be that sometimes it could happen that you may have good points, but you won't have the chance to say it. You would not want to interrupt someone and say it, and everyone could be active members just talking one after the other. Then what do you do in that case? If you want to draw the attention of everyone to yourself, wait for a slight pause and then say, I would like to add something very important. If you say this, the interviewer's attention will automatically come to you, and so will everyone else's attention in the group. Then state your point. Lastly, the interviewer will ask any one of you to summarize the points. To summarize the points, you must remember that you should not add any new points. If you add any points, then that's not a summary. It's a chance for you to speak, and the interviewer is clearly asking you to wrap up the discussion. So what you'll have to do is remember everyone's points and then state it in a clear and concise manner. Now, these are my points for a group discussion based on my experience. I hope it was useful to you. Thank you.